its youth and bodily. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it, and spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you figure you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies from parents who failed to raise them cause they're lazy. To quote and praise me, I'm making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I cripple any hypocritic critic I'm sick on. And this song is for any kid who gets picked on. A sick song to retaliate to a nip. This kind of music, use it and you get amped to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it. It's just some shit for these kids that trash their roots with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it. You just know that's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion. The drastic movement of people acting stupid. It's fight music.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Harder than the seed from the semen. Straight out of Papa's nuts, lusting for creaming. Bitches with big butts, curves, make a nigga cry, tits and shit. When I'm locked down, begging you for porno flicks. Sneak weed in, help a nigga pass the time. Put my name tattooed so that ass is mine. Tell everybody pop, put it down for good. A local legend do the whole world. Follow me, I got a gun on me. Going for none on the run, baby. You know a nigga needs some. It's my son, crazy rock rock. When I be thugging till I die.